Learner drivers will consistently make good driving decisions only after a lot of experience and practice.
The most appropriate use of the fast lane is when overtaking only.
After a collision, a motorcyclist wearing a helmet was injured. What is the best thing to do? Do not attempt to remove the helmet.
You are driving vehicle A. The driver of vehicle B is trying to overtake your car. What should you do? Slow down and keep to the right. What does this sign mean? The road ahead narrows.
This sign indicates the area where vehicles can park.
In driving, what is defined as anything that can cause the driver to change direction, position or speed of the vehicle? A hazard moving or not moving. Which safety system is designed to warn of vehicles that cannot be easily seen using the mirrors? Blind spot monitoring. You are not very sure how some pedestrians will react. How would you deal with this safely? Lower your speed. Ensure you can give way or stop if necessary.
Hills, driveways and intersections are among the hazards when overtaking.
It is important not to do this to safely leave the main stream of traffic. Cut in and drive over the chevron markings. How can throwing any debris or garbage on the road be dangerous? Some road users may react in an unpredictable manner.
Drivers on mobile phones are unable to judge safe gaps in traffic.
Which feature of the road causes the drivers to feel strong vibration if they drive over them? Rumble strips.
Not signalling while lane changing causes tension to other drivers.
When dealing with other vehicles on the road, it is important to remember that motorcycles are entitled to the full size of the lanes as other vehicles.
Looking at the diagram, which vehicle can turn first? Vehicle B.
Keep your speed down and you will have time to react. This is especially important when driving at night. In this scenario, you need to give way to vehicles coming from the right. You are not allowed to make a right turn here.
In which of the following areas is overtaking not allowed? Intersections and roundabouts.
In driving, hazard is defined as anything that can cause the driver to change direction, position or speed of the vehicle. Which one is a hazard? A roundabout ahead. What type of traffic accident can you report using the Dubai Police app? Minor accidents.
Vehicle A is about to collide with the biker. What was the reason? Vehicle A did not obey the traffic rule. This sign means you must keep to the left.
Driving is more dangerous if you Have noisy passengers in your car.
Driving too fast for the situation is an unacceptable driving behaviour. When you see this sign, slow down and be ready for their unexpected movement. Which sign means move ahead only? Avoid conflict with other road users by giving way, even if you have the priority sometimes. This traffic sign means goods vehicles are not allowed.
What can happen if you drive too fast while entering a bend? The vehicle will be pushed outwards. As a driver, your driving must not expose pedestrians to any danger. It means you shall stop whenever required in order to avoid danger.
One must focus on driving because safe driving requires full attention.